Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I have been having trouble with my memory lately. I forget things quite often, and it's starting to affect my daily life.
I see. Memory issues can be concerning, but there are several strategies we can explore to help improve your memory. First, let's talk about lifestyle factors. Are you getting enough sleep?
I think so, but maybe not consistently. I often stay up late working on projects or watching TV.
Adequate sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. Try to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help.
Okay, I will make an effort to prioritize sleep. What else can I do?
Regular physical exercise is also beneficial for memory. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week.
That sounds manageable. I will try to incorporate more physical activity into my routine. Are there any specific exercises or activities that are particularly good for memory?
Activities that engage both your body and mind are excellent for memory. Consider activities like brisk walking, swimming, or yoga. Additionally, mental exercises such as puzzles, crossword puzzles, and brain training games can help keep your mind sharp.
I will give those a try. What about nutrition? Are there any foods or supplements that can help with memory?
A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients for brain health. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for memory. Additionally, certain supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and antioxidants may support brain function, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements.
I will make sure to include more brain-healthy foods in my diet. Are there any other strategies I should consider?
Yes, practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques can also support memory. Chronic stress can impair memory function, so finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy, can be helpful.
That makes sense. I will work on incorporating some stress relief techniques into my daily routine. Thank you for all the advice, doctor. I feel more hopeful about improving my memory now.
You are welcome. Remember, making these lifestyle changes may take time, so be patient with yourself. If you continue to experience memory difficulties despite these efforts, don't hesitate to follow up with me so we can explore further options.
I appreciate your guidance, doctor. I will definitely keep you updated on my progress and reach out if I need further assistance. Before I go, I have a few more questions about memory techniques.
Of course, I'm here to help. What would you like to know?
Well, I have heard about mnemonic devices as a memory aid. How effective are they, and how can I use them?
Mnemonic devices can be highly effective for improving memory, especially for remembering lists or sequences. They work by associating the information you want to remember with something more memorable or familiar. For example, you can use acronyms, visual imagery, or rhymes to help encode and retrieve information. Let's say you need to remember a list of items: apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. You could create a mnemonic like a big orange gorilla, where each word corresponds to the first letter of the items in your list.
That sounds like a useful technique. I will try incorporating mnemonic devices into my daily life. Are there any other memory strategies I should know about?
Yes, another helpful technique is spaced repetition. This involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time, which helps strengthen memory retention. Instead of cramming all your studying into one session, space out your study sessions and review the material regularly. You can use flashcards or online apps designed for spaced repetition to help facilitate this process.
That sounds like a more efficient way to study and retain information. I will give spaced repetition a try. Is there anything else I should keep in mind as I work on improving my memory?
One last important point is to stay mentally active and continuously challenge your brain. Engaging in activities that require cognitive effort, such as learning a new skill, playing musical instruments, or engaging in stimulating conversations, can help maintain and improve memory function as you age.
I will be sure to keep my mind active and seek out opportunities for mental stimulation. Thank you so much for all the valuable advice, Doctor. I feel much more equipped to tackle my memory issues now.
You are welcome. Remember, improving memory takes time and consistent effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay committed to implementing these strategies, and I'm confident you will notice improvements over time. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you again, Doctor. I will be sure to follow up if needed. Have a great day.
You too. Take care, and best of luck on your journey to better memory health.
Before I go, I have one more question. I often find it challenging to remember names and faces, especially in social situations. Do you have any tips for improving this aspect of my memory?
Certainly. Difficulty remembering names and faces is common, but there are strategies you can use to improve this skill. One effective technique is to actively engage with the person you are meeting and try to associate their name with a distinctive feature or characteristic. For example, if you meet someone named Lisa who has blue eyes, you can mentally connect the name Lisa with the feature of her blue eyes.
That sounds like a practical approach. I will give it a try next time I meet someone new. Are there any other tips you can share?
Another helpful strategy is to repeat the person's name during the conversation and use it when addressing them. This repetition can reinforce the memory of their name. Additionally, try to pay close attention to facial features, unique characteristics, or any visual cues that can help you remember the person later.
I will make an effort to be more attentive and use these techniques when meeting new people. Thank you for the helpful advice, Doctor. I will be sure to put it into practice.
You are welcome. Remember, improving memory is a gradual process, so be patient with yourself as you work on implementing these strategies. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care, and I wish you the best in improving your memory skills.
Thank you once again, Doctor. I appreciate your support and guidance. Take care and have a great day.
You too. Take care, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Goodbye.
Goodbye.